We're also seeing more elderly people using marijuana, a lot of times for medical reasons. There are labs across the state specifically dedicated to testing for tainted marijuana. But now there's a new way for you to know if your weed has any problems. Denver 7's Micah Smith met a group of nurses and patients who want to help answer questions for both old and new cannabis consumers.
Hello, and thank you for calling Lee 411. Please press 1 to confirm you understand and agree to these terms and to be connected to a Lee 411 nurse.
And if you press 1, you will be transferred to a medical professional like registered nurse Catherine Golden.
We are a nonprofit.
More specifically, Lee 411 is a nonprofit medical helpline that focuses on helping people navigate the world of marijuana.
We created this free cannabis nurse hotline. So anyone from anywhere can call and speak to a cannabis-trained nurse.
And as more states decriminalize the drug, Lee 411 COO Jennifer Axel says with recreational use of marijuana, potential consumers have a lot of questions.
They're calling because they've heard about it, they're interested, they've got medical conditions, and they're scared.
Axel says those are feelings she knows well.
10 years ago, I was in a really terrible car accident that had me chemically dependent on a bunch of different pharmaceuticals, opiates, narcotics, and when I went to my prescribing physician looking into getting off those medications, I was turned away because it was federally illegal and he didn't know anything.
Axel says many of their calls come from those looking for pharmaceutical drug relief, and they tend to serve a more mature demographic the most.
Seniors are the fastest demographic of new users nationally, and they're also the largest demographic of polypharmacy, meaning 5 or more prescription medications.
A lot of callers still believe that the only way to get medicine is inhaling. And so it's wonderful to be able to say, no, there's all these other formulations out there.
From patches to edibles to vaporizers, Golden and Axel say no matter your age, Lee 411's goal is to arm consumers with the knowledge they need to make the best medical marijuana decisions for themselves. In Denver, Micah Smith, Denver 7.